We're group 24 and we built an air hockey table. We have an on switch right here that turns everything on inside the table. So go ahead and do it. And what that does is turns on the fan through the Arduino on the inside the little cabinet on the front. We have an LCD screen here that reads play game, press button. So we'll press the start button.
That'll set the timer to 10 minutes. And as soon as one of the IR sensors are broken in either goal, so when the IR sensors in this goal here are broken, it flashes green around. And when the IR sensor in this goal is broken, it's going to flash yellow all the way around.
So once one of those IR sensors is broken, this button lights up and it stays on for infinite length until you press it one time and it's going to shoot a puck out over there. You press it, pops another puck down onto the table, and then you go again. This button's now not lit up, which means it's disabled. It doesn't work when you push it until you score again and it lights up.
We have 7-segment displays on either side, and we set those up so that it records if you were scored on. So instead of like how many points you scored, it says track of like if you were scored on, so you can remember how terrible you're doing in the game.
Once it gets to 9, you are the loser, and this will set to be game over, and then after a short delay, it's 10 seconds to give you the perfect amount of time, is what Sam's telling us.
To gloat.
It gives you that time to gloat, and then it will reset the scores back to 0 to then play again.
The game will also end if neither person reaches 9. It will end at 10 minutes.
And you both lose.
And you both lose.
So it's game over right now. These will reset shortly to 0, and then now it's asking you again, would you like to play, and press the button.
There. So we ran everything off of 2 PICs and 2 Arduinos. One of the Arduinos is completely filled, even the analog pins, because of all the LEDs and then the servo motor that runs the puck release. And then we have 2 buttons and an on switch that is, I think, all running off that Arduino.
Over here is our power switch. This is powered by that plug right there. It's 5 volts, 3.2 amps. We're only using 2.9, so it was fitting. And then we go to these 2 right here, which is this 7-segment display and our PIC circuit. And that's the IR sensor as well, which wraps underneath the table and then sticks underneath there. We have our speaker here, which makes the noise when you score. This is our speaker module. It's a DF Player Mini, which is actually pretty awesome, and it's really loud. It has a built-in amplifier.
And it has an SD card, so we can program whatever we want to play.
And then we go over again. This is powering our LCD and buttons, and it's reaching into this Arduino we've named Arduino 2, which is working all that. And this Arduino, named Arduino 1, then is running our servo motor, the rest of all this stuff, and then goes over to our other 7-segment display and IR sensor, which is the same setup as this. And then this is a Arduino controlled smart outlet that we made. It has a relay inside of it, so once we turn the Arduino on, then it will start running and draw power from the wall.
For the fan.